In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a responsive and practical IT inventory assistant using ChatGPT. This guide will take you through the essentials from getting started to deploying your chatbot for seamless integration into your workflow. So sit back and let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to ChatGPT. Open your web browser and navigate to chat.openai.com. Once you're there, log in with your credentials. After logging in, start a new conversation to kick things off. This sets the stage for creating and customizing your very own inventory assistant that will help monitor and manage your IT resources efficiently. Next, let's define the role of your chatbot, which is a crucial step in tailoring its responses. For this scenario, imagine you want it to act as an IT inventory assistant. You'd assign it tasks like tracking laptops, monitors, software licenses, and various accessories. This kind of role definition allows your chatbot to respond accurately to queries such as, "How many laptops are available?" or "Which software licenses are set to expire soon?" Clearly defining these parameters will guide the bot's interactions, making it a more intuitive tool for your needs. With the role set, the next important step is to create a sample inventory data set. Let's walk through an example to give you an idea of how this looks. Consider including data like laptops, 25 available, monitors, 40 available, software licenses, 10 expiring in 3 months, and keyboards, 60 available. This foundational data set will power your chatbot's ability to answer questions related to the inventory. When users inquire about available equipment, these data points will be the go-to reference for the bot's responses. Once your data set is in place, it's time to test with some basic queries. Type in questions such as, "How many monitors do we have left?" This helps verify that your data setup and role definition are working properly. Testing ensures that your chatbot can respond exactly as expected, validating that the initial steps have been executed successfully. After confirming that everything's working well, you'll want to add update instructions to your chatbot. This feature is particularly useful for dynamic inventory management. For example, instruct your chatbot to adjust the count accordingly if you say, 5 laptops issued to staff. This ability to update keeps your inventory data evergreen and reliable. If you're interested in taking it a step further, consider making your system more advanced. You might want to explore options like connecting the chatbot to Google Sheets or Airtable, enabling automatic inventory updates. Such integrations not only streamline processes, but also remove the need for manual data entry. Finally, once you're satisfied with how everything functions, it's time to save and deploy your setup. Copy your chatbot instructions along with the data set into a document for safekeeping. Deployment can involve integration into various platforms like a website, Slack, or Microsoft Teams using the ChatGPT API. This step marks the transition from a test setup to a fully functioning tool within your IT environment, ready to streamline and enhance your inventory management tasks.